Hey guys, Kellen with Family Handyman here. Today we are talking about projects that you should get done in the fall. They're pretty simple and you're going to be glad that you got them taken care of. So let's get started. One thing you can do to avoid icicles falling on your AC compressor unit is to set a piece of plywood right over the top of it. And then you can put a brick on top to make sure it stays in place. This is better than wrapping it with a tarp because in that case pests will want to make it their home. This will help you avoid any unnecessary repairs come spring. Before the snow falls, you want to make sure that you inspect your yard for anything that you could run over with your snowblower, like a garden hose, extension cords, or even rocks. Speaking of garden hoses, you want to make sure that they're cleared of any water before winter. If you don't do that, the water might freeze and split the hose. You can clean them out with the air compressor, or you can simply stretch them out over a sloped hill and let the water drain out. Before you put your lawnmower away for the winter, you should add a fuel stabilizer to the tank. Doing this will ensure that the gas doesn't go bad during the winter, and then come spring, they'll start up right away. Paint doesn't handle extreme temperatures very well, so if you live in a cold climate, make sure that you bring it indoors. Otherwise, it'll ruin it and you'll have to throw it away. If you see any light coming through the exterior door, it's time to add or replace weather stripping along the door jamb. So you can just grab a package of self-adhesive weather stripping and you're good to go. To ensure pests don't invade your house, you should seal any gaps or cracks with a pest-specific spray foam. Hopefully these tips help you get ready for this winter. For more fall projects, head to FamilyHandyman.com.